Short haircuts are more than just a style choice, they are a statement of confidence, freedom, and a fresh start. Whether you're looking to redefine your look or embrace an easy care hairstyle, bold short hair can completely transform your appearance. Here are 17 stunning short haircuts that offer a rejuvenating, stylish new beginning. 1. Classic Pixie Cut. The classic Pixie Cut is timeless and chic. It features closely cropped sides and back, with slightly longer layers on top that add softness around the face. This versatile style frames the facial features beautifully. 2. Textured Bob. A textured bob is cut around jaw length with choppy layers for movement. It gives volume and a playful, slightly tousled finish, perfect for a casual yet sophisticated vibe. 3. Asymmetrical Pixie. This edgy cut has one side significantly shorter than the other. The longer side sweeps across the forehead, creating a dramatic and modern appearance. 4. Buzz Cut. The ultimate bold statement. The buzz cut is uniformly short all over the head. It emphasizes facial features and is incredibly low maintenance. 5. Curly Crop. The curly crop embraces natural curls, cut close at the sides and slightly fuller at the crown to highlight the hair's natural texture and bounce. 6. Undercut with side sweep. This style features shaved or very short sides with longer hair swept to one side on top. It creates a striking contrast and offers styling flexibility. 7. French Bob. The French Bob is a chic, chin-length cut with blunt ends and usually paired with short, eyebrow-skimming bangs. It exudes Parisian elegance. 8. Tapered Cut. A tapered cut gradually shortens from the top down to the nape and sides. It's sharp, clean, and offers a sculpted silhouette. 9. Mohawk Crop. The Mohawk Crop has very short or shaved sides, with a strip of longer hair from the forehead to the nape, often styled upright or slightly tousle. 10. Shaggy Bob. The Shaggy Bob combines choppy layers and a messy finish. It's perfect for adding texture and a youthful edge to a short cut. 11. Blunt Cut with Bangs. A blunt bob cut with straight-across bangs frames the face sharply. It's a strong, polished look that requires precision. 12. Cropped Afro. The cropped afro celebrates natural curls cut to a uniform, rounded shape that frames the face and brings attention to natural volume. 13. Spiky Pixie. A spiky pixie cut is styled with short, textured layers that are lifted and shaped with styling products for a bold, playful look. 14. Layered Bowl Cut. The modern layered bowl cut features a rounded fringe and stacked layers at the back, creating a soft, structured shape. 15. Side-parted Bob. This bob is cut at chin length with a deep side part, giving a sweeping, elegant look that adds asymmetry and volume to one side. 16. Soft Wavy Crop. A soft wavy crop is a relaxed, feminine short cut with gentle waves that add texture and softness around the face. 17. Edgy Fade Cut. The edgy fade gradually tapers from longer hair on top to nearly shaved sides and back. It's a daring, modern style that emphasizes sharp lines,